Okay, this is video 2. Okay, I'm getting nervous. Alright, so if you, well, I pretty much doubt if you did see my first video assignment, I thought if I focused on something where I'd move around that it wouldn't be much of an issue, but you can see that's not working. Anyway, today I will talk about this updo. This is, I'm trying to see if you can see, this is like a beehive type bun. I have Sisterlocks, and I just thought I'd show you how I pinned it up this way. When I go out into the street, a lot of people usually stare at my hair, or they stop and they ask, oh, well, how did you do that? Or, you have any tips? So I guess my YouTube video will be on that. Alright, this is what the finished product looks like. If you can see up close, you see it in the beginning, but I will show you how I do it. It's really simple. You can do it with loose hair. You can do it with locks. You can do it with, traditional locks. You can do it with, if you have a fake ponytail, I guess you'd hold it up with the hair on top, and then you'd wrap it around as I show you, and you can pin it, or you can use a hair tie or rubber band that looks like this, or something smaller. Alright, all I do is just drag all my hair forward, because I want the locks to lay down flat, and I comb through it a little bit with my fingers, because if I don't, it's like crazy strands hanging out. So with your traditional locks, you have to make sure each one is in place. You kind of like rake it down. With loose hair, you would brush it, right? Alright, then I gather it in the front. Gather it. I'll turn this way. I gather it to hold it, and then I smooth it out, because I want all the hair to lie down flat. Alright, that's flat. I grab it, I hold it up, and then I twist, and I hold it. I can't see too long. Then I tuck the hair underneath. It's kind of hard to see, because there is no mirror. I'm actually using my laptop as the mirror. See? It's falling. I gotta do it over. On my assignments, I'm not allowed to, or not allowed, videos have to be done in one take and raw. So bear with me, please. It's smooth. Okay, you twist it. Twist it. And then I tuck the hair underneath. Or just keep tucking. Sometimes I leave the hair out, or I tuck the hair under. I think this would do a lot better if I was standing in front of a mirror, but I decided not to, so this is what I have to deal with. Alright, I get my tie, and I hold it at the base. The first finished product you saw in the beginning, I did it in front of a mirror. So let me turn. Alright, it's not as neat as before. Okay. Okay. That's not good. But did you know that I gotta redo this?